In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over an essential oil set from the company HIQILI, maybe is how you would say that. And this is a 6-bottle set, and it's got 10 milliliters. So these are 0.33 ounces per each one. And just going over the box here, you can kind of see the different types on how to use it. Now, what I'm using in right here is a diffuser. I will leave a link to all of this in the description below on the diffuser here, because I really like this diffuser, and that's what I got it for. And this is tree lavender, sweet orange, peppermint, tree tea or tea tree, and eucalyptus and lemongrass. So these are the 6 that I have in this set right here, and they do come in as a set. This is very affordable, and you kind of have a little bit, you got a dilution chart of like, so 1 drop and 10 milliliters, 3 drops, 3 milliliters, kind of like so forth, and you can kind of go down the percentage of different types. I usually go about 3 drops per every fill up of my diffuser here. Very nicely packaged for the price, how affordable it is. It's extremely well packaged, and you can see how each one of the bottles is here. We'll go ahead, we'll take out, my favorite is actually the sweet orange. One thing that it's a little tough to get them out. I just hold them like that and get them out. Let's just kind of like look over the bottle. You can see 10 milliliters, 0.33 fluid ounces, sweet orange. You can smell it. I know it's hard to tell you how something smells through a camera, but this smells amazing. You can see it has the little dropper here. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start my diffuser, and I'm going to do the fill line. I usually just have a bottle of kind of water. This is purified water that I keep handy right here. And then I'll go, you can see how it drops. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops is all I go. Oh, wow, that smells so good. And then you can see how it's mixed in there. Put that on there. And then start the diffuser. And we are set. And this one has a light on it, by the way. Look how that light kind of goes. I like having it just like the light like that. So yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a good, affordable set of essential oils for their diffuser, maybe in some lotion or a bath or something like that. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the, the essential oil set. By who? HIQILI? Yeah, there you go. See y'all in the next video.